can see it. So like perfect example, E36s all came with plastic radiators. You know, they came with plastic thermostat housings, plastic water.
I was going to say plastics, yeah.
Literally plastic everywhere.
Right. They still do.
And what fails? The plastic. And it's not that it fails immediately. It fails from it getting hot and cold. Like, you know, it's getting weathered. Now it gets more brittle. It gets harder because the temperature is making it harder. It's rearranging the molecules in the plastic and is making it more brittle. The harder you make something, the more brittle it is, the easier it is to break. The reason for that is because, you know, it's not malleable anymore. It won't bend. It won't, you know, it has no give.
Yeah.
And they make the cars, they make the engines very good. The engine's going to be, you know, except for the B58 oil pump and shit they got going on right now, whatever. They got that sorted though, but that, you know, that's happens. They make the engines very good and very easy to work, very easy to service, but everything around the engine now, you know, those cars, they don't have the problems yet.